Reading Micrometer 1. My dear viewers and listeners, today I am going to start a new lesson on reading of Micrometer 1. I have chosen this topic to give you the method of scale reading on this scientific measuring instrument. This topic is related to physics curriculum. My syllabi references are IGCSE, GCE O-level and FSc. It is taken from Chapter 1, Measurement. Read this micrometer. Look at the scale of micrometer screw gauge diagram. You can see an object between anvil and spindle. Find the diameter of this object with the help of the given scale on this micrometer. Horizontal millimeter scale is engraved on the sleeve representing main scale reading MSR. 50 vertical vernier divisions are also visible on the thimble. Horizontal red datum line is also visible on the sleeve, which is used to find matching vernier division in vertical order on the thimble. Reading Step 1. Scale Identification. Look at the scale present on this micrometer. Millimeter scale is present on the sleeve of this micrometer. Look at the simple diagram drawn for this micrometer. Horizontal scale represents sleeve reading in millimeter. Vertical scale represents VD on the thimble. Reading Step 2. Main scale reading MSR. Your reading point is the one where a red arrow line is pointing on the diagram. It comes out 5.5 mm. Therefore, MSR is equal to 5.5 mm. Reading Step 3. Finding matching VD, vernier division. Your recording point for VD is the one at which the red datum line coincides with any VD on the thimble. 10th VD on the thimble is coinciding with the datum line. Therefore, VD, vernier division, is equal to 10. My dear learners, please subscribe this ISRA Science Education to get new updates. Reading Step 2 and 3 together, MSR and VD. Look at the simple diagram drawn for this given micrometer. Horizontal scale represents MSR. MSR is equal to 5.5 mm. Vertical scale represents vernier division VD. VD is equal to 10. Reading Step 4. Calculation of least count LC, which is equal to 1 SMD equal to 0.5 mm. TVD is equal to 50. Least count LC is equal to 1 SMD over TVD. LC is equal to 0.5 mm over 50 is equal to 0.1 mm over 10. Therefore, least count LC is equal to 0.01 mm or 0.01 mm or 0.001 centimeter. Reading Step 5. Vernier reading VR. VR is equal to VD times least count. Least count is equal to 0.01 mm as we have just calculated. Vernier division VD is equal to 10. Therefore, VR is equal to 10 times 0.01 mm or vernier reading VR is equal to 0.1 mm. Reading Step 6. Total reading TR. TR is equal to MSR plus VR. MSR is equal to 5.5 mm as shown on the diagram. VR is equal to 0.1 mm as calculated. Therefore, total reading TR is equal to 5.5 mm plus 0.1 mm or total reading TR is equal to 5.6 mm. Reading Micrometer 2. My dear learners, for continuation of this lesson, for further practice, you will go through similar numerical problem of micrometer. Therefore, you go to video list IGCSE, GCE O-level or FSc. Then you look for the topic Reading Micrometer 2 in Chapter 1, Measurement. Thank you for listening my video lesson. My dear learners, please subscribe this ISRA Science Education to get new updates.